Hello friends. If my makeup looks familiar to you, that's because it is. I don't know exactly when I'm going to be posting my other videos that I have going on, but they're all going to feature this same look, and I also have a get ready with me showing you how I did it if you're curious. So in case you didn't know, my name is Ariana. I welcome you to my channel. You already know what this video is based on the title, so it is 5 reasons why I hate with a passion false lashes. I hate them. The number one reason why I cannot stand false lashes is because they are very difficult and time consuming to apply. I have tried. I am absolutely terrible at putting on false lashes. I really tried. I have these Baddington lashes that I got from BoxyCharm, and here they are in the pack. I really tried putting these on. It did not go well. It took me so long, and at the end of it all, it's still, I don't think I applied them correctly, and of course, that's me. I'm just not that skilled at putting them on, but I find it extremely difficult, and it took me a long time to do it and still got nowhere. So yeah, no, I don't have time for that in the morning. I don't have time for that when I'm getting ready to go out. No, I won't do it. The second reason is kind of linked to the first reason, and it's the fact that they are so messy to apply. You have to use lash glue. I'm sure that there are multiple different brands of lash glue. I tried the Kiss lash glue, I believe, and it was clear. It dries down clear. It was a mess. It left a mess all over my eyelids. It took me several days to get some of the gunk was still stuck in my lashes, even after a few days me washing my face and like trying to get it off. Oh my goodness. And it messed up my eye look that I had on that day, because of course I'm gonna do my false lashes after. If you're gonna do false lashes, I mean, you don't do them before you put your makeup on. Ugh, and the glue just got everywhere and it started swiping off my eyeshadow. It was just a hot mess. It was a hot mess, and that glue got all over these lashes too, so now they're all sticky and like caked in some of the eyeshadow that I had on. Oh my, they're disgusting. Like, no, these aren't even good to use anymore. The third reason why I hate them is because you have to kind of make them fit towards your eye. You have to customize them in order to use them most of the time. No, I cut them wrong. So here's the thing. Here are my lashes. So here are the lashes in the box. And on the side there are the little pieces that I cut off. I promise you, I tried to line them up and look and see, okay, which side is supposed to go on the inside, which side is supposed to go on the outside. When you cut your lashes, you cut from the outside, not from the inside. And I'm pretty sure I looked at it and measured it on my eye and all that jazz, made sure I was on the right eye, made sure I was cutting off from the end and not from the center, and I still somehow messed it up. I think I cut off too much because of the lashes, then they were too short, and now I can't use them. And I think these lashes are like $20 or something crazy like that. I don't know, I didn't purchase them myself. I got them in a BoxyCharm. But I mean, if you mess up your $30 Huda lashes, you are really SOL, you're really out of luck, because you can't revive them once they're already cut. You just can't. Number 4 is that false lashes are so uncomfortable. They're so uncomfortable. I cannot stand them on my eyes. I don't know if I was supposed to put them on my actual, like on top of my actual lashes, stick them to my like eyelid right next to my lash line. I don't know, but I tried them both ways and they were both extremely uncomfortable. There's no way I could walk out the house with those on my eyelids. There's no way. No. I would end up tearing them off as I was driving to my destination. That's how much they make me so uncomfortable. I don't like anything being near my eye. Even contacts are hard for me to wear, which is why I wear glasses, but I also take off my glasses when I film. No, I don't have time to deal with that if I'm going out, especially if I'm at a party or like at some kind of grown-up event or something that I'd never get invited to. If I'm at something like that, trying to deal with false lashes all night, messing up and poking me in the eyeball, I don't have time for that. I know. No way. And number 5 will conclude our list. And that reason is because my eyelashes are already naturally very long. So mascara is enough for me. I don't really feel like I need false lashes in order to look put together. My eyelashes are, even though they're really long, they're not super thick, but that's not something I can't fix with mascara, and it's not something that I can't just put liner on and make, you know, make that area darker. Like, I can do all of that with liner and mascara. I personally don't feel like I need to wear falsies to achieve a full and complete glam look, okay? All I need is some glitter. As long as I have glitter, it's glam. That's me. That's my philosophy on that. This is definitely not intended to be a bash on people who do wear false lashes or enjoy them for their many reasons. This was just my personal experience from trying to put them on and failing epically. And yes, that could be my skill, but do I care to make my skill any better? No, because of the reasons that I have already listed. So if you did enjoy this video, please, please, please give it a thumbs up. If you have any comments or anything like that, maybe telling me how I could make some of these things better, maybe I'd be willing to try it again, but I honestly don't think so. I refuse to wear them. Yeah, I changed my sentiment, but you can still leave your comments down below. And if you like this video, give it a thumbs up. If you hate this video, give it a thumbs down. And that's it. That's it. I hope that I will see you again in my next video. Bye.